So in this video we're going to install Visual Studio Code. It's a text editor. It's a place where you will write your code, where you will manage your code. It's a very nice text editor. It has a lot of extensions and modules to help you program faster, better. Yeah, it's a really great software. I really recommend it. If you want to use another text editor, you have one that you like, no problem. So let's go ahead and install it. Okay, next. To the path, yes, next. Install. And let's check it out. So once you open it, you will see this window, and we can open a folder in here. What I like to do when I'm programming, I like to, well, of course, have everything very neat, organized, tidy, let's say. So what I recommend doing is going on a desktop. You create a new folder in here. You can call it workspace. And inside of this workspace, you add a new one that you call apps. And in here, we're going to start programming. So let's select this folder. And yes, you trust the authors. And right now, Visual Studio Code is kind of set up. We're going to the future. I will show you some tricks tips and tricks to make it really nice to program in Visual Studio Code. So yeah, that's it for this video.